Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID balance and payment priority. Open the App Store, tap your profile, and view your balance so you know the exact dollar available. Once done, add funds from a redeemed gift card or top up with a linked payment method. Make sure family sharing credits are assigned correctly. You need the credit to appear before purchases. If it doesn't, sign out and back in to refresh the account and display the correct balance. You navigate to the App Store and pick the exact item or subscription you want. Tap Buy or Subscribe and watch the App Store payment sheet. It prioritizes your Apple ID balance automatically, using your credit before charging other methods. Make sure to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password when prompted. This confirms authorization and finalizes the transaction. After purchase, check the receipt in your email or account purchase history to verify the charge and item delivery. You finish by confirming the item is active in the app and by reviewing your App Store purchase history for the receipt. If your Apple credit didn't cover the full cost, the remainder is billed to your backup payment method. Make sure that card is valid. If the purchase fails, try restarting the app and checking that your Apple ID region matches your payment methods. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, sign out of the App Store, sign back in, and retry. The refresh often resolves authorization hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.